Here we go, can you believe it? We are on subscription box number 56. It's all about our door reveal dies, but do you know what? Let's dive in and have a look to see what you're going to be getting. Now, as I say, it is all about that door reveal. Over 210 elements, and you can make a minimum of 18 cards. These ones are all about this fab die set. So if we dive straight in, you will be able to see you've got what looks a little bit of a strange house, so to speak. All serves a purpose with a few embellishment dies and a few matte and Laird dies. Then what you have got is a full sheet of stamps. Now these are going to enable you to decorate your reveal. You've got some sentiments as well, some woodwork, doorwork, housework, all of that's included for you to decorate. Of course, you're going to get your card blanks, you're going to get your envelopes as well. Then we're also popping in 9 reels of ribbon. So with your ribbons, it's all satin and you've got a variety of sizes that you can see here. 6mm, 12mm and 19mm. We are giving you 100 dewdrops that you can colour with your alcohol pens if you so wish. Then we're also popping in some coloured cardstock. Now your colour card is 6 colours and you're getting 3 of each. So if I dive all the way to the back, you can see the tones that you're getting. Beautiful, fresh tones with your greens, your yellows and your blues. But what we're also going to be giving you is your printed papers. So these also being 8x8, you've then got 6 designs, you've got 3 of each. I mean, look at the florals, you've got your dots, you've got some of your tartan gingham, and you've got some of your lines. All of that is included. So in total, it is your 8x8 where you are going to be getting your different designs. You're going to be getting your different colour cardstock. You're also going to be getting all your ribbons and card blanks. You can do your door reveal. You can do twisted easels. You can do concept cards. You can do them in the top of box lids. You can use these in so many ways. That is all being done with your brand new subscription box, which is number 56, and it's all about the door reveal dies.